116 and we're ziplining in Moalboal to the Canyoneering! Woo! Good morning. We are going canyoneering. Woohoo! The cat is here. Little pussycat.
Good morning.
Oh, we are going to go get some food quickly before we get picked up. Oh, it's hot, but good job. We're going to be jumping in and out of canyons today.
Baby.
He's deaf. Oh, he's so blind. He is an old dog. It is hot, which is good. A good sign to be jumping in and out of fucking water today. Oh, just need to get some snacks or something because it's a long day. Need some fuel. Breakfast consists of these today. Sansa isn't having any breakfast. She's going in rogue. Yeah, very excited for this. And the zip line. Forgot about that. That'd be fun. Alright, pickup is here. Let's go. Canyoneering, how exciting. Been looking forward to this. Probably the main activity we're going to do here in the whole of the Philippines, to be honest. We made it. We made it to the canyoneering start. And there's a dog waiting for us, which is kind of cute. Hello, hello, hello. Is that, why have you stopped? Are you preggers?
Don't worry about
How exciting. Nice pink helmet.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, make me look like a princess.
Yes, princess.
Woo. Hello, hello, hello. Mmm. Scratchy, 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 scratchy. Oh, yummy, scrummy scratchies. You're a good dog, aren't you? You're a happy dog. Do you want a belly rub? Do we look crazy? Dunno. Crazy fit. It's a good look, isn't it? Pink helmet. The vehicle is packed. I love it. At least if we crash, we've got helmets on. Let's go. So many people in this bus. Right, out of the pesky van. And we're in a basketball court. Where's the ball, baby? There's a chicken.
For any losses, place your important things in your driver bags to avoid damage.
Little briefing.
You want?
Come on. Bye. So safe. Not a bad bar.
That was quite nice actually. It's all in my teeth now though.
So we're going to the zip line. Come on, baby. You can do it.
Maybe the two of us together is a bit too heavy.
I'll do it. Hard fun.
Can you hold on to the back so we don't keep squishing it?
Back on the Harzang loop.
Imagine if we shared on the loop.
Imagine if we thought we'd walk. Yes. Alright, zip line time. Quite excited. No, we're going to lay down. Oh, excited. Oh.
Upstairs.
Sansi's like there. Are we going up? Oh god. It's quite far. It's a kilometre away. Wow, look at that. Looks horrifically safe.
It doesn't look nice.
Why? Hi. Reckon the guys get down this way if we go? I'm scared. Can we go? I'll wait for her, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, just chilling, mate. It's quite scary, to be honest. Look. No, don't be scared. You ready? Hmm? Woo! Down! Holy shit! Woo! Oh my god! Bye-bye! Oh my god! Oh shit! Holy shit! Wow! Woo! Oh my god! Oh, holy shit! That is terrifying! Woo! Oh god, how are we gonna land this bad boy? Wow! Oh my god! Wow! How was that? That was
pretty intense.
Ooh, it was pretty intense. Oh my god! I
would have preferred it if I got clipped in before you
I was
did.
spinning. Holy shit! Why?
Because you're only actually attached to the thing you lay in by one clip. It doesn't even like, you know, like when you go ape, you have to shut it and twist it. Theirs don't do that. It literally just hooks on.
Oh my god, that was so fun. Oh, that was intense. That was fun. At least we've done one zip line on this trip. We wanted to do one, and that was very good. Some more guys. Oh, I need some water around me. I'm hot. Prime mosquito territory there.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Just hear people screaming in this forest. It sounds quite scary and intimidating. Sounds like a water park. Basically, it is a water park, to be honest. Lovely walkway. Dripping in sweat, yeah, but we'll be in the water in a second. That was a long walk. Oh. 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 Quick photo. Oh, it's cold. It's nice and cold, not gonna lie. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's quite refreshing. Right, the first jump is 4 meters. I'm pretty sure we can handle that. Maybe, I don't know. Nice and refreshing.
It is.
It is very nice.
It's quite chilly. No matter how hot I am, I always get good.
Yeah. Excited for the jump?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Ready to jump?
Yeah. Having a stinker. Alright. Beautiful.
Can't do it.
Nah, you can't do it, it's too high. Come on, you can do it. Oh my god. Oh, I'm going first. Exciting. Exciting. Woo! That was fun. There's loads of rub. Woo! Good.
Oh, I hit the bottom.
Did you?
Yeah.
You okay though?
Yeah.
Good. That was quite fun. That one.
Someone else's hair on me.
That was quite fun. With the life jacket on, you kind of just
It hurt my back.
maybe.
That's the life jacket, like pulling you up.
Yeah. Oh, that was good fun.
I'm just going to get myself here because it's cold as
He's going to jump in. Oh. Well, look at it doing God's work, but can't see his phone. Alright, first jump complete. That went well. Santi hit the bottom, but apart from that, all okay. No injuries. There's a 10 metre jump, so quite scared about that one. Oh, it's distorting my face. Full on going in a... Oh god. What's next? Just slide maybe? I've got a helmet on for that reason. Oh god. Backward slide.
Straight your legs. Lay down.
Woo! Oh, that's fun. Oh, there's a big rock there.
Yeah.
All that. Getting all the angles. Oh, 7 metre slide next. I can't film this one because I've got to focus on not cutting yourself, but look. That's what it's like. Oh, let's see if I can get a quick video. What's this one? 5.
3, 2, 1.
I hit the bottom, but it didn't hurt. Alright? That was good fun. You just fall in again. Just bobbing about, to be honest. Quite nice. Ow. Need a rock. Oh. Good fun so far. Oh. It's actually beautiful here. Sorry if the water's on the camera, but you know, doing a water activity. Oh. Huh? Woo. We passed on the 7 metre jump just because you have to jump over something, and that scares me because if you slip at the top you're cooked. Photographer's doing really well, look at these. Oh wow, they're amazing. Thank you. Oh. Connect!
Open the Wi-Fi. Open very well.
What's going on here?
I don't know, we're going down the slide together, I think.
I can't keep my legs up.
You need to keep them shut. Push your legs.
What do you mean? Oh. This is fun. This is fun.
It's very pretty, isn't it?
Look at this. Oh.
But look how pretty what we're looking at is.
Absolutely beautiful. I'm just sinking, mate.
Well, you need to lean back. Stop sitting up.
A video in a video. Quite
Where
relaxed.
are you going?
Who?
You. Elbows.
It's quite
Icebergs.
Icebergs? I am, they are.
Your elbows are out.
Icebergs? Jesus Christ. Ow.
I can't hold you. I'm struggling. Okay, guys.
Oh, hang on.
Get ready.
I'm falling. What's going on? Oh, wait, I'm falling. I'm disconnected. Wait. Okay, that's better.
Okay, slide.
Oh. Thought we were cooked. So I was going to shit ourselves. Where are we going?
We were just sinking.
I was just sinking. We are in a mad spot right now, aren't we? Oh, look at that. Proper canyon. Canyon for canyoneering. Who would have thought?
How dirty, Marshall?
They're fine. So far, so good. We haven't died yet. I hit the bottom, Sansa hit the bottom, but it wasn't a lot. They do scare you though. They're like, there's rocks there, so don't go there. It's like, brilliant. Cheers. Oh, I'm falling. Oh god, this is quite funny. Beautiful day. You nearly slipped, did you?
Yeah.
Oh no. At least you're alive and well. At least you'd have a bicycle helmet on your head to protect you, eh? I don't think that's going to protect us from falling rocks either, to be honest. Oh, so nice and refreshing. Ooh. I can smell barbecued meat. I think this might be where you'll be able to get some food, but we're not going to eat.
I think I have photos. It looks pretty, doesn't it?
It does look pretty. Maybe they're taking us to another jump. So this is a Sparta kit. You just face them and they kick you and you fall backwards. Sounds quite fun, doesn't it?
I don't know how I feel about being kicked off a rock.
I'm excited to be kicked off a rock. I can see smoke over there. Maybe they're selling chicken.
Maybe. It does smell good.
I don't want any. Oh. It looks so funny.
You first?
Is it not him?
Yeah.
I'll go first.
Turn around. Okay. Ready?
Go on.
Okay.
Not hard, just here. Push me.
2, 1.
You see what I mean? It gave me like an instant headache. Oh, it does. Wow, that hurt. We got a 7-meter jump now, but I'm not gonna hold the camera anymore jumping because I've got to focus on not dying. 7-meter jump. Yeah. No. No. Oh, there's a bit of a card. That's getting fun. Backwards? No. Oh wow. You can just hold on. Just pushes you this. It is pretty. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, mine's red. Oh, we this way? Yeah.
Under here, babe.
Oh. Woo! Pass it here. It's okay. Thank you. No, nothing. Woo! Thank you. It floats, yeah. Look at this. Just come through there. Hold banana. I'm holding the banana. Look how blue this water is. Oh, that was a big jump. How was your jump experience?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. I just get a little bit scared because I can't see what's underneath as well.
No,
And then when you're about to go, they're like, oh, make sure you jump right there because there's rocks there.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice though. Cool experience. It'd look a lot cuter if you didn't have the helmet. Probably true. Oh well. Oh, sorry.
I think it's a photo mum having me floating here.
No, it's crazy.
Without the helmet and the light.
Ask me to take it off. Oh, you want it? Oh. Woohoo! Oh, God, yeah, that jump. I don't know if she filmed on this, so if not, you would have seen the iPhone clip and can't see his phone. Oh. Woohoo! Oh. Oh. Very pretty canyoneering experience, not gonna lie. Very nice. The water's nice. Nice and cold, don't realise the water is lovely. Look how blue it is. Green, whatever. Quickly stopping at 7-Eleven. Wow. Halfway, nice. Halfway through the experience. Haven't died yet. A single tree. Pretty crazy. Wi-Fi connecting.
Connect Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Wi-Fi connecting. Here we
We're
go.
going to 7-Eleven.
Okay, thank you. Oh, my Uber's taking me to 7-Eleven right now. This is crazy.
7-Eleven.
Oh god, it's so much fun. Oh, blue skies. Lovely.
Okay, terminal.
7-Eleven? Yes. Where is it?
Walking 5 minutes.
Okay. Tijuana. I don't know if you can see that. Tijuana, yeah. Oh look, oh,
There it goes.
that's crazy. 7-Eleven is this way. Oh, that would be so funny, wouldn't it? There'd be a million TikToks on it. All the palm trees up here. Yeah, it's pretty So this is a 7-Eleven. Great 7-Eleven. Got beers, cigarettes if you smoke. Yeah, there's some roosters there chilling on the perch. You know, just chilling out, mate. That's a crazy music system.
I'm slipping everywhere.
Woo!
Don't grip.
Alright, we are continuing on. We've got about another hour and 45 left. We've been going for like an hour and 15. It doesn't feel like we have.
In London, it's at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yep,
Yeah.
5 AM. Chances slipping all over the gap.
They just don't grip.
No. Well, you haven't got Waterfalls rain shoes on, have you?
No.
Nice. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Back in the direct sunlight as well. Get that tan up. Oh, it'd be awful if you got burnt in this.
Yeah.
Be like having a vest on, I suppose. Fully in the canyon. It's nice that some of it is just walking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not just diving and jumping and being pulled around and just walking. Your shorts are holding up alright, you know.
Are they?
Yeah, they're still white. Bit black from the water, that's it. Like, just wet.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh. Little hike. Very exciting. You can see my helmet don't fit on my head very well. 10-metre jump up ahead. Can't film it because I've got to focus on not letting my ears explode as I land. Santi's going to go down the bottom and film it, maybe, or they'll film it from the top.
So Nathan's going to do the 10-metre jump. I've decided to play it safe and stay in the water and miss this one.
Just stop. Up here. Up here.
Wow. 3, 2, jump. Wow. Oh, that was high. I don't know if it is 10 metres though, we're just deciding now. I don't know. Maybe. It felt high up there though. Tired. I don't know. This person just hesitated like it's gonna kill herself. Oh, it's a man, not a woman. I can stand up here. Yeah. Oh god. I'm nervous watching. Oh, pussy out. Yeah, I don't know. Even he just said he's not sure if it's 10 metres.
I don't think it's 10 metres.
I'm saying it's 10 metres though. I did it alright though, I think. I'll put in the clip as well with the iPhone footage from the top as well. Oh, slipping all over the gap. Where's that lady gone? Oh, there. Santi loves a rope swing.
I just can't do it. There's someone should.
Oh yeah, someone should. There's a little dam there. Something. Oh, it's like a mini dam. Oh. So now we're going to the famous Kawasan Falls, which has some rope swings. I'll give that a go. Tubing. Oh, that we stunk there. Oh, okay, 2 rocks.
You should get the ring.
Rubber ring.
And then people can sit in it. Yeah. Look, you go
Look how pretty that is. Wow.
That'd be like a proper lazy river if you had a ring.
Take time. It's really nice and refreshing, this water. But that jump was into really cold water. Santi had to get in there, like just normally walking in, said it was absolutely Baltic. Full on waterfall. Okay.
Slowly, left side. Walk left side.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, you don't want to fall in there. Full on giant. So this is, yeah, Kawasan Falls level 2, I believe. This way. Are we jumping in?
Oh no.
Wow. Down we go. Ooh. Very beautiful. Little restaurant up there, maybe that's where we get our lunch. I don't know if we do get lunch, maybe. Oh, they move. Brilliant. One more to go. This one looks more secure. That's it. Right, finally taken the life jackets off. Quite nice not having them on, to be honest. Oh, where's our guy gone? Happy to be out of the life jacket. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. That's a big waterfall. Oh, so nice not having a life jacket on for once. Yeah, they're not good.
So slippery.
Oh. Right, how high is this rope swing now? You can only get in it for a rope swing.
Oh, I don't want to do this rope.
Hello.
God.
Careful. The rope swing. I'm going to get Santia jumping in first, and I'm going to throw the camera down. Yeah?
I don't think you can, the current's too strong.
Oh, do you want to jump with it? Oh, it's okay. Yeah? Rope swing 10 paces. Crazy. Oh, this is going to go terribly, I reckon.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
That was good fun. It did hurt my testicle a little bit, but apart from that, it's quite good. I think I held on for a while.
How are my lashes? Are they still on?
Yes, they
Maybe
are.
we should do an advertisement with tatty lashes.
Look at this walkway. Look at that. Wow. Alright, this is the last walk, I think, to the final destination. Oh, been good fun. Nice way to keep cool on a hot day like today. Very good. Zip line was good fun. Jumps were good fun.
So pretty.
It is. Look at that. Beautiful. It's like science here.
Look how blue it is.
Yeah, it's nice. Waterfall be waterfalling, let me tell ya. Don't know, random goat. Yeah, I think so. Can we have a look? 10 pesos. Yummy. Anyway, this jump here is the 15-meter one. It's now closed because of a typhoon in 2023. There's loads of trees and rocks underneath it now, but we're going to go have a little look anyway. I would not jump off this, let me tell you. Wow. Jesus. How high is this then? Oh mate, that's like...
No. No chance in hell.
No?
Would I have ever done that jump?
Have you done it? Have you done it before?
Yeah.
Wow, that is high. No thank you. I would never have done that, not in a million. No chance. There's a bats on this tree. Don't know if you
Show 'em
can
on this
see it,
screen.
but I'll put this video in. That's crazy. So that jump is 30 meters. I done like 8 and that was high enough. No chance would I do that. Fuck that. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. So you jump off the top bit up there, straight into there. It's like 30 meters.
The rock position.
That's so scary.
Step there, and you need to be jumped far before.
Yeah.
But the typhoon today is coming. That's why it's not allowed.
Beautiful. We'll have a little swim. Just because, why not? Look at it. Absolutely beautiful.
Red dragonfly.
Crazy. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Is it deep?
No.
Huh?
No.
In sand?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now it's
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's super cold. Wow. Oh, ow. That hurt. Oh, it's quite deep. It's deep. It's a beautiful waterfall. And look at this water, so clear. No, not clear, a nice colour. Crazy, I want to go in that cave, but I don't think we're allowed. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, that jump is there, straight down into here. No chance, mate, not for me. Fuck that. Dunno. Oh, it's quite a nice little swim.
It's very refreshing.
It is. Getting pulled this way naturally, and you've got to swim. Doggy.
You're having a nip.
No. What a mad place to live, eh? I think this is the end. I think we've got like a 10-minute stroll back. And that's it done. We survived. That was good fun. Rather enjoyed that.
Great.
Didn't take photos of us holding hands.
Peace lily.
What's that?
Lily of peace. It's cool.
Crazy.
Peace lily.
Very pretty.
Pretty waterfall.
Yeah. Boing, 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 boing. Oh. How green that is. A giant speaker. Can't canyoneer with that, can you?
Oh, they also started the waterfall for the day.
Yeah. So yeah, this definitely goes to the sea. Nice and clear, nice waterfall into the sea. So I wonder if this is salt water then. Everyone was ignoring the dog except Sans. Tour guide. Sans, tour guide. How cute. Just waiting for this taxi to arrive. Survived though, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, good fun. Oh, we're getting a tricycle. Oh, okay. Are we all going to fit in here?
How's your canyoneering?
Oh, are we fitting in? Oh, sorry. Am I going in the back, yeah?
Yeah.
Somehow. Alright, I don't think we can squeeze.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay na.
Scram kid. Yummy. No word of lie, that was some of the best chicken I've had on this trip.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It was really, really good. Hey, doggy. Alright, we are going to Smooth Cafe. Need a coffee or something and some food. Wow, banana and Oreo milkshakes. Give this a whirl. Oh, that's good. That's what I needed after a day of canyoneering. Chippy chips. They're going to be hot. Good chip. Yeah, banging. Look at the giant golden retriever. Hello! Hello! Stuck behind the gate, so I can't say hello. I dare and stroke him. It's auntie at night though. Are you beautiful? Hello!
Hello.
Oh no, thank you, I'm okay. Huh? Nathan. Nice to meet you. Do you want double strokes?
Does that feel good?
I'm doing his hair.
I know.
Hi doggy. Hi golden. Now we are going to go back to the hotel. Hello. Oh no, thank you. Santia is going to pick her seashells out. She's going to make a seashell bracelet with this man who makes jewellery. She's pretty cool. I'm going to rest my back because that Spartan kick Santia got on me hurt. Got the kick itself, but landing on the water hurt my back. Just getting old. It is so hot. Bonjour. It is 7:20. Santia had a nap, and I had a nap. And now we're going to go out for dinner. Zancy is going to make a bracelet out of seashells, hopefully. If not, it's a tomorrow job. We did sleep for a little bit. Zancy's fixed my bag, thanks. Right, we're going to go look at this place and see what time it's open till. Maybe do it tonight, maybe do it tomorrow. No, we cannot do the jewellery making at the moment because I slept in for too long. Oh well, we'll do it tomorrow.
He's busier tonight than he was when we went at this time the other night.
He is busier. Oh. No, thank you. We're now going to Hungry Monkeys for dinner. It's an Asian street food, mainly Thai, I think. We'll have a little look at that. Karaoke in Black Summer's popping off. My back is actually fried. So bad, my lower back. I'm getting old. It's probably what would happen if I go to Fort Park now. The idea is good. The actual thing isn't good. This place might be rammed, kids. Hopefully not. We finally sat down after the hour wait.
That was not an hour.
It was like 20 minutes, 15 minutes max.
Yeah, I don't even...
Santi's getting a pad thai. I'm going to go for the Ziplining. No idea what it is. Just going to get it and hope it's good. And a Coke.
And the thunderstorm's coming.
There is a thunderstorm coming. It was going mad over there, but stop. Don't know what this is. It's called Ziplining. Peppers, egg, rice. Don't know. Right. Pad thai. Looks alright.
It looks like it's done with like pasta rather than
It's nice to see that you haven't gone for beef.
beef wasn't on the menu.
Mine's good.
I did want beef.
Alright, that is food done. Good food. Santi's pad thai wasn't that good. Unfortunately, it doesn't have anything on Thailand pad thais. Nothing at all. It's very upsetting.
Even the peanuts aren't the same.
Even the peanuts aren't the same. But yeah, I can end the video there. Tomorrow we are going on a moped adventure. We're going to go to some waterfalls. Hopefully a waterfall that isn't dry this time, because that was rather long the other day. And yeah, go from there. There's a viewpoint I think as well. And we're going to do a sardine run in the morning. We're going to go see the sardines and hopefully some turtles. They sound like they're playing video games in there.
Yeah, I forgot. They're playing like a fighting game, aren't they?
Maybe. But anyway, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.